it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Optimum Nutrition whey protein. This is a 5.6 pound bag and there's 80 servings per bag, so it does last for quite a long time. My husband and I have been using this exact protein powder for probably 3 years now. We found this one finally and we fell in love with it. We tried a whole bunch of different other ones and this one is by far the best. It tastes great. We get the extreme milk chocolate flavor. There's other flavors too, but this one has just been our favorite. A lot of the other proteins I have tried get really chalky or filmy. This one doesn't. It tastes amazing. It mixes really well in a shaker bottle or even with just stirring it. A lot of other ones can get clumpy and you'll have little balls of like powder in your protein shake. This mixes really, really well. It is 100% whey protein. There's 24 grams per serving. It has a little scoop in here that's already pre-measured. Super easy to just mix up after your workout. Like I said, we've been using this forever after trying a bunch of different ones, and this one has by far been our favorite. There's no GMOs or anything like that. It's just 100% pure whey protein powder. If you are looking for something that is going to taste great and also still give you the protein that you're needing after your workout so you can maintain your muscle mass or build more muscle mass, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.